Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. We're stepping into Ross stores for a quick tour of their home decor patio items at very low pricing. You'll be surprised what we find. I know that Ross is not everyone's first go-to store, but if you're looking for marble, storage, trays, and patio tableware, Ross is one place you'll want to visit. Let's dive right in. I thought these had the perfect sand color. I love this table so much if you're going for that tropical vibe. Please consider subscribing if you love to see home decor and bargains from your favorite stores. Isn't this marble scallop tray just gorgeous? SouthernLivingStore.com sells an almost identical one for $64. This gold bowl is at a fantastic price. Zola.com has similar bowls sold in a set of 3 for $157, almost identical. Get this one here for only $4.99. They had so many great options for patio tableware, and those woven trays are at a fantastic price. Remember to subscribe so you never miss coastal decor bargains and tips. See you next time!